Tropical rains in the valley today. This is really our only good chance for rain the rest of the week. We have showers and storms around the valley today. You might get lucky and see a couple of brief showers tomorrow, but very little rain. It looks like nearly everywhere tomorrow. I think we're looking at just a couple small showers and mostly just dry and hot weather. So most areas dry Friday, and then the weekend we're back into just hot, sunny, typical August stuff around the valley where it's going to be close to 100 degrees most of the afternoon. You can still see some rain now coming through. This is the last 3 hours, and for most of the early afternoon, the rain was mostly west of I-69E, but now some areas of showers and storms are blowing up, moving through northern Cameron County and into Willacy counties that are kind of heavy. There are no flood advisories or anything like that, but the rain still comes down fairly heavily for maybe 20, 30, or 40 minutes in spots. Heaviest rain right now is in Willacy County, right around San Perlita and near Raymondville and toward the north. And again, some of this may come down heavy for a half hour or so, give you like maybe a half an inch to an inch of rain quickly. So you do get some decent rainfall totals, but not enough to really cause any flooding problems. Still some heavier little showers left over around Combs and near Rio Hondo, just northeast of Harlingen, but most of the rain here is starting to either move out or dissipate, and very few lightning strikes left, and a little heavy shower still left right along Highway 100 in Laguna Vista, but that's moving to the north, and there's really no rain at the island, but you could still maybe have a quick little shower near the coast this evening. Upper Valley, where it did rain kind of hard earlier this afternoon, just mainly some light rain now around McAllen and Mission areas, but still, anytime between now and about sunset, maybe through 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, there could still be a shower or storm in spots. So kind of if you had to look at a graph of the rain chances, will be going down as the evening goes on, down to mainly dry weather overnight. Tomorrow during the day, there's still about a 20% chance of showers in the midday and afternoon hours, say roughly noon to about 4 or 5 p.m. But if a shower forms tomorrow, it's likely to be much less intense than today, so don't count on much rain. I would say probably no more than a quarter to half an inch, if even that, tomorrow in spots. You look at all the moisture here. This is kind of the northern edge of moisture associated with what was, but no longer, Hurricane Franklin. It's now dead, but just still creating some rain in southern Mexico. But the northern edge of the moisture still throwing some clouds and showers our way. So temperatures are cooler. This is a pretty good deal today. In fact, I should just run outside now. It's got to go out on these days. 75 right now in Weslaco, 76 in Brownsville. Of course, you might get a little wet outside, but it's not in the 90s today. Even though a lot of places were in the low 90s for a while, right around lunchtime, the rain and clouds have come back in to cool things off. So it should kind of level out there in the 70s and lower 80s most of later this evening. Franklin is gone, though. You see still some heavy rain in spots of southern Mexico, but the storm moved into areas south of Tampico late last night and then quickly fell apart, but still creating some very heavy rain down there at times today. Future track for us shows maybe a shower or storm still through about 7 or 8 p.m. and then things quiet down quickly after sunset. You still might catch a little shower or two overnight, but no big storms. And then tomorrow, there's still enough moisture where the sea breeze might get a quick shower going, but nearly all day tomorrow should be kind of dry and a bit hotter with temperatures back up mostly in the upper 90s tomorrow, and then should get even hotter after that for the weekend coming. So the first 157-day forecast, if you love big numbers, yeah, here they come again, near 100 in most areas by the weekend. That will range from upper 80s or so at the coast to about 102, 103 or so in Starr County for the weekend, and it will be mainly sunny. It could get a little breezier by next week, but I don't think we'll see any strong winds at all, but it could be a little breezy in the afternoon hours. The temperatures stay hot through next week and mainly dry. We'll keep tracking the hot days ahead in your first 1-5 forecast on Channel 5 News at 4.